Welcome to Milan, a city where history, fashion, and tradition come together in a magical way. At the heart of the city stands the magnificent Milan Cathedral, also known as the Duomo, a masterpiece that took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Built with white marble and crowned with more than 100 spires, the cathedral has long been a symbol of faith, craftsmanship, and devotion. During Christmas time, the Duomo becomes even more special as the square fills with warm lights, seasonal markets, and a joyful festive atmosphere. For centuries, Milan has celebrated Christmas as a time of reflection, family, and community, and the cathedral has always been central to these traditions. Visitors from around the world gather here to admire the decorations, listen to carols, and experience the unique blend of history and holiday spirit. The soft glow of lights against the ancient stone creates a timeless scene where past and present meet. Walking through Milan at Christmas offers a feeling of warmth, wonder, and elegance that makes this city unforgettable. Enjoy the beauty, the tradition, and the festive soul of Milan during the most magical season of the year. If you enjoyed walking through Milan at Christmas and felt the holiday spirit, please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful travel moments. Thank you for watching and celebrating the season together.